Today I'll be showing you how to perform an Ubuntu Linux distribution upgrade, specifically from 22.04 to 24.04 now that it's available for upgrade. And we'll be doing it through the terminal for those of us without a graphical interface or who just want to do it through the terminal. Let's say we have a server edition. We'll first get our terminal opened up and I'll show you what I have currently, which if I do lsb_release-a, we can see that this is currently Ubuntu 22.04. We'll be upgrading to 24.04. First things first, make sure to back up your data in case anything goes wrong. You wouldn't want to lose your configuration and or files. Let's update our repositories first. So we have the latest and greatest packages. We'll do sudo apt update to start things out. Type in your administrative password in order to run this one and give it a few moments while it updates. It says that 209 packages can be upgraded, so we'll do that by typing in sudo apt upgrade next. And we're being asked at the bottom here whether we want to. The default is the big letter, which is yes. So we can just press enter or actually type in Y to acknowledge this. It's going to take up 156 megabytes of space, so make sure you have that in order to do the update properly. Pressing enter is going to start the installation of all the upgraded packages. We're going to give this a few minutes as it finishes up. Eventually you'll get a progress bar. All right, and during this update process, you may actually get a new dialog box that says a new version of Ubuntu is available. Would you like to upgrade? This is a way to actually trigger this specific upgrade process through that dialog, through the graphical method. Some of us have a hard time getting this one to come up, but this is definitely one way you can do it. You can hit the yes, upgrade me now button and complete the process graphically using that method. It's self-explanatory, but that's not the goal of this video. We're going to continue on doing things in the terminal. After things have updated, at least on the current release, which is 22.04 that I'm running, I'm going to do sudo apt auto remove, and this will check and see if there are any packages that can be cleaned up and aren't needed by the system anymore. So it says 0 to be removed, 10 not upgraded, all fine. Let's move on to the next process because we're now ready to do the actual release upgrade. And if you made it this far, make sure to smash that like button for me and subscribe below for more tutorial videos like this on Linux. The next command is easy as well, sudo space do -release -upgrade. This will actually perform the distribution upgrade. Let's press enter. And it says checking for a new Ubuntu release. You may or may not also get a message that says you have not rebooted after updating a package, which requires a reboot. So AKA if there's many updates performed, maybe there's one that required a reboot, go ahead and reboot your system and then redo the command. The first thing you're going to see is more information where it asks you to continue on with the distribution upgrade. The default here is actually no, as you see this letter N capitalized. So we want to actually type in Y, lowercase y, and press enter in order to continue. All right, and with that pressed, we're now on our way to upgrading this distribution from 22.04 to 24.04. This is going to take a while. And there also may be questions that are going to come up in dialog boxes that you're going to have to answer. So don't just go away for a long time. Come back and check up periodically on the upgrade process. And now it's actually confirming, do we want to start the upgrade? Telling us how many packages are going to be removed, how much are going to be installed, and how many are going to be upgraded. Like I said, there's going to be multiple dialogues here, so you'll want to check in every once in a while. It's going to take about 2.2 gigs. It'll take around 7 minutes on a 40 megabit connection. So depending on your speed, it might take a while to do this. But the most important thing here is once a download has finished, the process cannot be canceled and it's asking you to continue again. Lowercase y will get the process started. If you're okay with all of this and you have the space requirements, you can type in lowercase y to continue the process. Now we're fetching everything we need from our repositories in order to make the distribution upgrade. Again, it's going to take a while. I'm going to continue to wait and monitor. After the packages have been downloaded, you'll see this screen here, which tells you progress on actually installing those packages that were downloaded. That's the next logical thing you'll see, and we'll continue to monitor and wait. All right, we got another dialog here. It's saying configuring Thunderbird, and it's saying that the Thunderbird package is turning into a snap package. It will transition over to the snap package and just says, make sure to close out all your Thunderbird windows before installing it. Just hit enter, and that will continue on with the distribution upgrade process. And once things are finished upgrading, it's going to ask you if you want to remove any obsolete packages. You can either select no, which is the default, by just pressing enter, or lowercase y in order to actually remove them. This doesn't usually take several hours, so I'm just going to do it real quick. It shouldn't take much more than an extra minute or so. I like keeping my system unbloated and not having any deprecated or unsupported packages. All right, fantastic. This probably took me around 12 minutes to get to this point. The system upgrade is now complete. A restart is required, so in order to finish the upgrade, we're going to have to type in lowercase y and press enter. That'll automatically restart the system. You might as well do it at this point because that's really the last step to get over to the Ubuntu 24.04 side of things. So I'm going to press enter. All right, here I'm welcomed by the greeter, and I'm just going to log in real quick. And if things went well, you'll be welcome to your new desktop experience in the latest Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. We can check that by simply launching a terminal, and inside that terminal, we'll rerun a command that we did before, lsb release space -a, and we can see now that we have Ubuntu 24.04 LTS as the installed version of Ubuntu now. Congratulations if you made it this far. You've successfully upgraded your Linux distribution through the terminal. If you want to continue on and make sure that everything's up to date, you can again do sudo apt update to update your repositories, type your password in, and then sudo apt upgrade again will upgrade any and all packages that need to be upgraded. It says there's none, but you can remove a few. In order to do so, it tells you how to do it right here with sudo apt auto remove. Great work, and make sure to share with anyone else who needs help upgrading their Ubuntu Linux distribution. Don't forget about liking the video and subscribing below. Catch me in a great community on Discord, and I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching. Linux can be hard to understand, but I take the most commonly used terms, commands, and subjects in Linux, and I break them down into simple to read documents, including Linux terms, flashcards, a checklist, a cheat sheet, and a mind map. And if you're ready to level up your Linux experience and knowledge, go to learn.savvynik.com now and get access to these sheets.